Hey guys, new tutorial. I will show you how to install Tor Browser on Ubuntu 80.04. So let's copy the command and open terminal, and yes to continue. And now it start to install Tor Browser, so please wait. And now the installation is finished, so let's open Tor Browser. And waiting, we can add it to the favorites, and here is on the favorites, and waiting for downloading and installing Tor Browser for the first time, so please wait. Okay, connect to tower. Let's connect and loading network status. And welcome to Tor Browser. So this is how to install Tor Browser on Ubuntu 80.04. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.